In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Vimeo video from public to private. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. The goal is to take a video that's currently visible to anyone and limit its visibility so only you, or people you explicitly allow, can access it. This is helpful when you're preparing drafts, protecting client work, or archiving older content you don't want publicly searchable. Start by heading to the Vimeo website and make sure you're signed into the account that owns the video. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Library. This is your hub for all uploaded videos. If you manage a lot of content, the library view makes it easy to scan through thumbnails, use search or filter to quickly find the exact video you want to update. Open the video by clicking its thumbnail or title. This takes you to the video's main page where you can play it back and access settings. Up in the top right corner, click Share. That button opens a panel or pop-up with sharing and privacy options tied to this specific video. Inside that share panel, look for the privacy section. You'll see the current status. If it's set to public, that means anyone with the link can watch, and the video may be discoverable depending on your account settings. To lock it down, change public to private. Private restricts access, so it's no longer publicly available. This is the safest choice when you need to ensure the video isn't visible outside your account or your approved viewers. Once you switch to private, Vimeo applies the change to that video. You should notice indicators on the video page, such as a privacy label, confirming it's no longer public. If you previously shared the public link, viewers will no longer be able to watch it unless you later grant access or change the privacy again. Keep in mind, on some plans, you might see additional privacy options like password protection or embedding controls, but for now, we're focusing on making the video private as the most straightforward way to take it off public view. That's it. You've gone to your library, opened the video, clicked share, and set the privacy from public to private. As a quick sanity check, refresh the page and verify the privacy label shows private. If your video was embedded somewhere, remember that making it private can affect playback on external sites, so plan your updates accordingly. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to change a Vimeo video from public to private.